Those who are watching my video, please subscribe, share and like my videos. Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is quadratic equations. Here I will show you the standard form of a quadratic equation. Then we will go to the definition of a quadratic equation. So the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Here a, b and c all are real numbers. That is, they are constants. Its values will change. But the variable here is x. It won't change. So this is the standard form of a quadratic equation, and here the variable is x. X is the variable. And a, b and c all are constants. So let's move on to the definition of a quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation with a variable in which the highest power of the variable will be 2. Here the quadratic equation has a variable, that is x. And here the highest power of the variable is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. I will show you an example for it. 4x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation as it has a variable and the variable has highest power as 2. Here the constants, that is a, b and c are 4, 5 and 3, and the variable present is x. So this is a quadratic equation. Next is, for a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We have a discriminant and its value is b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant of this quadratic equation and it is denoted by the letter capital D. So the discriminant of a quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac. Next, we are moving on to a problem where we have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. The question is 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1 a quadratic equation? Here we have to solve this equation. Then we have to find whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So let's write it down. 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1. On both the sides we have to open the brackets and solve it. So it becomes 3x. With 3x we are opening this bracket. So it becomes 3x into 2x is 6x square. Likewise 3x into minus 3 is minus 9x. Then with minus 2 we are opening this bracket. So it becomes minus 2 into 2x is minus 4x. Then minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Likewise, we have to open the bracket also on the other side. So it becomes, with 2x we have to open this. So it becomes 2x into 2x is 4x square. Then 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. Then with plus 5 we are going to open this bracket. So it becomes plus 5 into 2x is plus 10x. Then plus 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. So here we have opened the brackets. Then we have to solve these equations by bringing all the numbers on one side. So here 6x square, and on the other side we have 4x square. On bringing on the other side, it becomes minus 4x square. So 6x square plus 4x square, on bringing to other side, it becomes minus 4x square. Likewise, here we have minus 9x and minus 4x. It becomes minus 13x. That is, minus and minus, we have to add it and put the sign itself, that same sign itself. So it becomes minus 13x. And on the other side we have minus 2x and plus 10x. So on subtracting, that is plus 10 and minus 2, on subtracting we get it as 8x. Then we have to put the greater number sign, that is plus. So it becomes plus 8x. So this plus 8x, here we will get plus 8x. When this plus 8x, moving on to the other side, it becomes minus 8x. Likewise, we have here plus 6. Then minus 5 on the other side. So minus 5, on bringing on to the other side, it becomes plus 5. So here we have brought all the numbers from one side to the other side. So the other side will become equal to 0. Then we have to solve. So we have to subtract here, that is 6x square minus 4x square. It becomes 2x square. Then we have minus 13x and minus 8x. Here we have to add it and put the same sign. So we will get minus 21x. Then we have plus 6 and plus 5. On adding it, we get plus 11 equal to 0. So we have 2x square, then minus 21x, then plus 11 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, as it has a variable x and the variable's highest power is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Let's move on to another problem. That is, if x is equals to 3 by 2 is the solution of the equation 2x square plus px minus 6 is equals to 0, then we have to find the value of p. So here we have to write down this quadratic equation here. That is 2x square plus px minus 6 is equals to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Here we have to find the value of p. So we have to put the value of x. So it becomes 2 into 3 by 2 the whole square plus p into 3 by 2. Then minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, wherever the x value has come, we have to put the value 3 by 2. Then it becomes 2 into 3 square is 9 by 2 square is 4 plus 3p by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then on cancellation we get 2. Then it becomes 9 by 2 plus 3p by 2 minus 6 is equals to 0. From this equation we have to find the value of p. So the other numbers except p term, we have to take that to the other side. So it becomes 3p by 2. That is, the p term is put on one side and the other numbers is taken on the other side. It becomes minus 6, on moving on to the other side becomes plus 6, and 9 by 2 moving on to the other side becomes minus 9 by 2. Here we have to do LCM and solve it. So it becomes 3p by 2 is equal to 6 into 2, 12 minus 9 by 2. Then 3p by 2 is equals to 12 minus 9 is 3. That is 3 by 2. Here we have to find the value of p. That is p is equals to 3 by 2. Then here also there is a 3 by 2. That we have to bring on the other side. 2 is divided here. So moving on to the other side, it becomes multiplied by 2. And 3 is multiplied here with p. So 3 on moving on to the other side, it becomes divided by. So 3 by 2 on moving on to the other side, it becomes 2 by 3. That is its reciprocal. Then on cancellation, that is 2 and 2 cancels, 3 and 3 cancels. We get p is equals to 1. That is the value of p is 1. Thank you for watching my video, and next class we will meet with the same chapter.